Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the latest AI video app inside of Canva. We will also see how it can be used to create exciting videos using text prompts and create animated stories out of the generated videos. So let's get started. I'm now inside my Canva account, my free Canva account. So the first step I need to do is I need to choose project type. So I'm going to choose this one. And the next step is to add the AI video app to my Canva account. So what I'll do is I'll click on apps here and then I'll type in Synthesys. And if I click on hit enter on my keyboard, I would see these two apps, Synthesys Humans and Synthesys AI Video. So I'll click on Synthesys AI Video now and then click on open here. Okay, so this is how the app looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my Synthesys account to this particular app. Okay, so if you already have purchased, say, AI Video Upgrade or EVA, you can easily click here and sign into your Synthesys account and click on connect here. All right, so this is how you can actually add the AI video application into your Canva account and also sign into your Synthesys account and connect it with the AI video app inside of Canva. This is how the interface of the app looks like inside of Canva, and it is located out here. There's a small text box where you can type in your prompts. So let's start with typing a very simple prompt like all right, and then let's click on generate. It takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute to render the file. All right, here we go. So the video has been created. You can add it to your Canva project by just clicking on it. The video now has been added to the project. We just have to extend it. And play the file. So this is how you can add a video that was created using the Synthesys AI video app inside of Canva to a project. Not only that, you can also check out all your previous generations by clicking on Go to Generations. So all your previous generations will be visible out here. Not only the videos that you have created inside of Canva using the Synthesys AI video app, it will also show you the videos that you have created in your Synthesys account using the AI video app as well. So you don't have to download the videos from your Synthesys account and upload it to Canva. Everything is seamlessly integrated with each other, so you can easily use the videos that you have already created in your Synthesys account. So we tried a simple prompt. Let's now try a more complex prompt and see how the results are. Let me first delete this cute little frog from here. And let me add a new prompt. The new prompt is a lighthouse in the middle of a large wave in the ocean with a red and white lighthouse at the top. Storm. And I'm going to click on generate. Okay, so this is the result. Looks pretty neat. Let's add it to the project and extend it and click on play. Let's extend it first. So this is how a video can be easily created using the Synthesys AI video app in Canva. Now there is one more interesting use case that I wanted to show you. We can actually create a story or a longer video by adding multiple videos to a Canva project. Now, if I go to the Generations tab, I've already created a few videos from prompts, and I'm going to use them to create the story. So I like the green frog theme, and I'm going to create a story about a frog named Fredo. And I'll show you how we can create that story using the videos that we have already generated, and how we can add captions to it as well. Okay, so let me select this video. Let's extend it. So the video looks something like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a caption to it. Okay, so for that I'll go to the text section and add a text box. Bring it down a little. Okay, let me change let me change the font colors. Okay, so the caption has been added. And now I'm going to add the second page. Go back to Synthesys AI video app. Go to generations, add the second video. Let's extend it again. And let's go to the text box section. And let's add a text box. Bring it down a little bit. Let me type the caption. He sees a lily pad floating by. Okay, so our second page is also ready. Now let's add a new page. Go to the video app again. Go to generations, add the video. So now Frito jumps on the lily pad to soak up some sun. So let me extend and add another caption. Change the font color. All right, let's add one last page. Okay. So let's add the last video of the story. Oops, I accidentally double clicked. Okay. So okay, so now Frito and his lily pad are floating away into the sunset. So that's what my caption is going to be. All right, now again, change the font color, some final touches. Okay, now you can click here and go to the duration section and click on play to preview the video. Once the video has been previewed, if you want to make some corrections, you can do that. And then if you want, you can click on preview again. All right, now I'm going to download this video. I'm going to select MP4 video and then click on download. The download is done. Let's see how it looks. So this is how it looks. So this is how you can create a video story with captions using the videos you create using Synthesys AI video app inside of Canva. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope it was helpful.